Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can use Blender. So first of all we can install Blender. We search Blender software. After that we go to the first link blender.org. Just click on first link and download Blender software according to your OS. The installation process is pretty simple. Anyone able to do this. I already installed this software on my PC, so I just start. So firstly it's successfully loaded. We learn how to do this and how to use this. So firstly we can learn this pretty much area that I underlined. So firstly we can learn these sides, and you must subscribe to my channel to get updates of full course. I will start basics to advanced. So firstly this is a basic course, so anyone able to do this. So first you can see the magnifying tool. They help us to zoom in and zoom out. We can also use the keys on our mouse. We can press the mid button for tanning and up and forward and backward for zoom in and zoom out. It's pretty much easy to press again and again the magnifying glass. So for tanning, what is tanning? To move our cursor fastly to find the object. So as you can see, if we lose our object, we can find by tanning. You can also use by second key hand, same like that. Use tanning to find your object. If you lose your object, you can find by tanning by pressing also the shift key. After Before we can learn Blender, we really know the dimensions and axes. As we already know, there are three axes and XYZ, as you can see. So how we can know in Blender? In blue color the Z axis line, and in green color the Y axis line, and in X in red color line. So we can press easily and find it. We can also use shortcuts by pressing G or X for x-axis and G plus Y for y-axis and G plus Z for z-axis. It's pretty much easy to pressing again and again. So now we can learn our camera. Whenever we press the camera button, they loaded our cube in front of me. In other words, they can zoom in or zoom out. And the another tool is for graphically oriented graphs. Okay, so this is that written. So here the area we can select or deselect our objects like cube, or as you can see the cube is highlighted by the lines whenever I press that. So this is an active object, we can work on that. Then camera, then light, etc. We can select by pressing these lines or objects side of me. We can select easily by one click. So whenever you delete your objects, you can load by the factory default settings or load factory. They again appear successfully recovered. Hope you like this video. Must subscribe to my channel to get updates. Thanks for watching.